Remote's online job platform review, usage experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Remote Ease, a dedicated job board for remote work. If you're interested, I've included links in the description below. Remote Ease is a simple yet effective platform that curates remote job listings from various sources, including company websites and other job boards. Unlike general job platforms, Remote Ease focuses exclusively on remote jobs, making it easier for professionals to find legitimate work-from-home opportunities without the hassle of filtering through office-based positions. One of the biggest advantages of Remotes is its automated job aggregation. It pulls in remote job postings from well-known sources such as We Work Remotely, Stack Overflow Jobs, and Remote OK, creating a centralized hub for remote job seekers. This means you don't have to check multiple platforms separately. Everything is in one place. The site is minimalist and easy to navigate, allowing users to quickly browse jobs by category, including development, design, marketing, writing, customer support, and more. A key feature is the category-based job listings, which help users filter jobs based on industry and role type. Since Remote Ease does not require sign-ups or paid memberships, it's a completely free resource for job seekers. You can simply visit the site and start browsing listings immediately. However, because it relies on job aggregation, you may be redirected to external sites when applying, which means you need to be cautious about job authenticity. While Remote Ease is great for discovering a variety of remote jobs, it doesn't offer additional career resources like resume reviews, job coaching, or premium listings. It's best suited for self-sufficient job seekers who just need a reliable place to find remote job openings without unnecessary distractions. Overall, Remote Ease is a solid, no-frills remote job board that efficiently gathers listings from multiple sources, making job hunting faster and more convenient. If you're looking for a simple, free, and efficient way to find remote work, check out Remote Ease using the link in the description.